What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have got a few things loaded up in the F250 and we're headed over to Mr. Streetcar Joe's house. We have the compressor side and the exhaust side of the turbo we're taking over there because obviously, as you guys saw in a previous video, got that all Cerakoted. I said ceramic coated in one of the videos. Cerakoted. So I'm pretty much blacking everything out in the engine bay. So once we finish the turbo kit, I'll take the rest of it over to Lowy to get Cerakoted. And so we're bringing that back over to Joe's because the wheel has just been sitting there with no compressor cover or exhaust housing. So bringing that back over so we can assemble that. And then that's obviously going to be pushed off to the side for a while because we won't be getting to the turbo stuff for a while. But I've also got the wheels loaded up. I'm really excited about those. Joe hasn't seen them yet in person. And those are kind of like that's like his dream wheel too also. We love the Alpha wheels. We always talk about them. And finally got a chance to hopefully make them fit on the car. So hopefully today you guys will see the wheels. We're gonna essentially get them up in the tubs and see how they fit, make sure everything is gonna actually fit, that it's possible to make it fit without having to cut a bunch of shit out. But according to our measurements, it's supposed to, but you know how that goes. So we're gonna hopefully get those up in there, see how it looks with the axle, kind of get everything mocked up, and then start working on the anti-roll, and then figure out our coilover mounting solution. So the bottom of the coilovers, they already have a tab on the axle housing, but for the top part of the coilovers, there's nothing for them to bolt to. You actually have to make that. So we're gonna hopefully get the ride height kind of set up where it should be. Got some notes from TRZ on bar angles and stuff like that. And then we'll get the coilovers in there, check full extension, and see where we need to put that top bar at. So I'll see you guys over at Mr. Streetcar Joe's house. All right, so we got the center section here. Went with a 370 gear. This is the aluminum center section from Strange. So hopefully save a little weight there. Had a gasket, had to borrow from Joe. So hopefully we're gonna get the center section in today. We're also got to get the axles in. These are gun drilled 40 spline axles. They are, look how beefy these are. Woo. Look at that. Those are beefy. So got the Strange brakes in there, but I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of what the wheel looks like. Comment down below, streetcar or no car, please, because it doesn't look too street cars right now. So just wanted to put it up there because I had to see what it looked like since I've been waiting 6 weeks for these. But gonna pull that out of there, get the center section installed. I gotta actually get the bearings pressed on the axles, so probably go to Brady's, get that done, and then hopefully bring it back and start mocking some stuff up. But man, would you just look at it. Alright, so there is the Strange aluminum center section, 370 gear. So got the studs in there, got the lube blocker gasket on there. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in.
The car's not even the S550. Weird. It's not the VIN number says.
But it's really a pro mod.
Hey! Come on, man! Sick of everyone commenting shit.
Dave, what is going on here? Are you showing the wheels yet, or should I hide those?
Yeah, no, you can show them.
Oh, wow.
There's a video before this that already shows them.
You already showed the alphas?
Yeah.
Serious?
You gotta remember, we're in the future. I'm like,
oh, we're in the future.
I'm like 2 weeks ahead.
Oh, well then I don't even want to record unless this is going out this weekend.
No.
Look at those. Look at those.
Comment down below if Joe needs a match.
Look at those. We literally tried these on every car that was in sight today.
Everyone in Streetcar Joe's group is getting them.
Yeah, everyone's getting them. But Dave is the only one that looks like a pro mod with them. The rest of us look like street cars.
That is true.
So what am I supposed to be recording?
You're assembling the...
Oh, yeah. I'm doing the turbo. Don't mind the Camaro bumper. I lost my light here too, so you'll have to just deal with the subpar lighting. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, plug your channel.
Streetcar Joe. Look me up. Oh. Streetcar Joe here. So this is the moment in time when Dave realizes he has to mini tub his car.
Whoa, what? No. Well, this is
so we got the rear end where we think is pretty close to ride height. It's pretty close to ride height. So, and then the spacing, we can't change the spacing, so this is where it's going to sit.
Oh yeah, this
is the final fitment, Dave.
Well, I'll be yelling at somebody for some measurements if this is true. Look at that wheel. Man, it looks cool.
I mean, I think it fits pretty good.
Why does it look like it belongs in like a
race car?
X275?
Oh my gosh. Oh, we need to get a lug on. Yeah, because it's kind of sad.
Dude, that looks unreal.
It's pretty sick. Oh, why are these tight? Are these locking or something? Dang, what'd you do to these?
Yeah, I didn't do nothing. Oh my! Oh, I tilted the camera away.
Well, I just had a cough. I don't know what you're freaking out about.
Shout out Brady for pressing the bearings on. Looking good.
Shout out Joe for the garage, the fab work, life in general. Yeah. That's not how shit works.
You don't give me very good life advice.
I give you great life advice.
I've spent more money knowing you than anybody else.
But look how cool you look.
That is true. I'm slow but cool. Yeah, there we go.
Dude, there you go. That's pretty dope.
Oh my God. It sits inside there pretty good. How's the inside look, Joe?
I don't know. I haven't looked. I'm still mesmerized by it. It's cool.
Yeah, pretty close up there, huh?
It's touching.
Can we bring the axle back or no?
Yeah, we're gonna. I mean, we need to plumb bob and measure and everything. Yeah. How's it look back there? Plenty of room?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we need to go back.
So.
But I think it's actually, yeah, you can see it's visually sitting forward in the tire wheel.
I'm pretty impressed it just sits in there.
That's so sick.
We done goofed.
You've done my X275 racing. Dude. Oh my gosh, who can I send this to? Everyone?
Angle because at a certain way I'll start it.
Here. Oh my concrete! What?
Okay.
What? David VANVORIS!
Oh, that seam sealer. Where did it go? I can fix that. I know a guy.
What? That's gonna be on your invoice for sure.
God.
What? What? What is this? I got hit by concrete.
I know a guy.
Oh my God! Get your car out of
Somebody
here.
comment
We're
below.
done. We're done. We're done.
All right, we got this.
Dang, what are you doing? I told him that we should just back half the car. He's like, no, I'm a 3-car.
Comment down below if we just chop
So he's we're having some clearance issues. Let me zoom. God, the zoom is slow on this thing.
Yeah.
All right, so we're having hold on, how do you do this? Oh, there's my finger. Right there. We're having some clearance issues with the tire. We can move the rear end way back and it clears, but it's too far back in the wheel well. We really need it farther forward. So we're needing to do the professional term is massaging of the inner fenders to get this to clear.
My back needs a massage after this.
He is really being whiny. Check out this tool he bought though.
Yeah,
That's now Streetcar Joe's. We should put a Streetcar Joe symbol on it.
Someone needs to massage your concrete.
And then Dave broke my concrete.
Oh boy.
So Dave's having to do some massaging, which it doesn't look like it's going easy.
Yeah.
It's taking some effort for sure.
Heat it up.
That's a pretty good idea. Yeah, I'd heat it up some.
You lit my car on fire last time.
I like lighting your car on fire. Hold on, let me go get the torch. I think this will help, by the way.
This was my idea.
No, it's not. I can't believe
That, I don't think that was from me.
Oh my god! I guarantee I have it on camera!
I deleted the footage. Oh man.
So how's the views on your video of us cutting everything out on?
Pretty good.
People liking it?
Yeah, I think we should cut more out.
You're kind of sweating, Dave. What's going on, buddy? I thought you work out for a living.
I'm about to be
like 5 swings and you're like, Grandpa Dave over here.
Is this what they mean when they say bring in the heat?
Bring the heat.
Bring the heat. Some good old seam sealer up there.
And right above it, it looks like it moves really easy.
Yeah, no, it's thin above it. It's that.
It's this double wall.
Yeah, it's that double frame rail.
Which that's threaded technically. You don't even need that anymore. We could have cut it out. Because that's for the factory IRS bolts too.
Hey, this bolt's in factory location.
Yeah, you don't need them anymore. Check out these new safety glasses.
We're not talking about that.
Safety first.
Dude, I still have your blue mask. That thing works awesome when you're grinding.
Blue mask.
I should bring that back. The face shield.
How do you have that?
Because from polishing. I borrowed it last time I polished. Anyways, alright guys, so the wheels are on both sides now. There's axles in. And this is essentially at ride height. So now we gotta figure out where we're gonna put the bar. So there's gotta be a bar that goes up and over for the coilovers to mount to. So we've gotta do some trimming over here.
Hey Dave, did you buy the chromoly?
No, you said you had some.
Dave,
You said you
I
had
said
you did say
buy the chromoly.
No, you said you had some. And you said you had an 1 5/8, right?
I don't know if I want to sell you my chromoly.
Oh, okay. Can't afford it probably.
I know you can.
So essentially, this is ride height, which kind of sucks. I wanted the wheel to tuck more, but my fab guy let me down. You let me down.
We need to try to go a little. Let's notch the frame.
Let's not.
Let's notch it. You get all the classes say notch for clearance allowed.
Yeah, but that's a lot more work. We're already way behind on time.
That's because
We're
you're
in
taking
the
a birthday
future,
trip.
Joe. Oh no,
And you
we're
didn't
not
invite
talking.
me.
Guys, don't listen to anything Joe says. He's had a lot of food today. He can't think straight. Look at Aaron's car sitting down. Update on that coming soon. Look at that. But yeah, so the car's at ride height. We gotta do some clearancing, and supposedly Joe's gonna make a bar out of chromoly that he's not gonna sell me. So there's that. How's your car doing, Joe?
That's great. Street car. It's running. I mean, it's just sitting underneath the car cover in storage. I go get it and race it tomorrow.
We
Whatever.
should take it to Sonic soon.
Let me know. It's ready.